Hi kids, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn colors name. What are colors? Colors are what we see all around us in flowers, toys, clothes, and the sky. They make the world bright, fun, and beautiful. We use our eyes to see color, and each one is special. Red is the fire truck racing by. Blue is the ocean, white and high. Yellow is corn that goes pop pop. Green is a frog who loves to hop. Orange is juice so sweet and cool. Pink is the candy I bring to school. Purple is crabs in a bouncy bunch. Brown is the bear who loves his lunch. Black is the cat with shiny eyes. White is the milk in my cup. Oh my! Gray is the elephant, big and grand. Gold is treasure in the sand. Silver is the moon that shines so bright. Peach is the fruit that's soft and sweet. Maroon is the leaf in autumn's tune. Navy blue is the sky when stars explore. Teal is the turtle shiny shell. Lavender is the flower with a sweet smell. Indigo is in the rainbow skies. Charcoal is the rock that's dark and gray. Coral is the reef your sea creature dwell.
Hi kids, I am your friend Honey Bunny. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe, share and like my YouTube channel. Bye bye.